Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Olivia here with Olivia's Romantic Home, and in today's video I am so excited to share with you some more thrift store trash to treasure makeover projects. We are also going to carve out a tiny space in my bedroom to create kind of like a standalone closet and dressing table. Okay, so here are some of things that I have. I have this shelf. I think would be really cute painted or even left gold. And then I have this lamp that actually works. And then I have these two sconces and this lampshade. So I just had this idea to kind of create a faux window on my side of the bedroom that actually doesn't have a window. In fact, my bedroom doesn't have windows, but we do have two large doors that open out onto like this little small back porch. But for me, for my little dressing space, I want to create this faux window, and I also want to cover the electrical box that is right next to my dressing area space as well. So by painting these items and creating this faux window, I hope this gives you guys an idea of how to create a faux window in your home and also cover maybe some utility items that you don't want to show. The first thing I want to do is go in with my Mrs. Meyer's Peony all-purpose spray. You guys, this is my absolute favorite spring season. I do have a 5-piece free gift code if you guys want to use that. It is linked down below. I really love to clean off all of my thrift store items to make sure there's no dust and dirt. And then I'm just going in with some crisp white paint. This is just regular latex interior paint. And I did dab it off on my piece of paper towel because I want to kind of dry brush this, which means I want to dab off any excess paint to where there's just a little bit of paint on my brush. I don't want a heavy coat on this. I do want some of the gold to peek through, so it really gives that really pretty, fresh, Frenchy kind of shabby chic feel to this project. For the shelf and the sconces, I used 2 coats of paint, and for this lamp, I used 3 coats of paint. So I wanted a lighter coverage on the other 2 pieces and then a heavier on my lamp. If you do love me, you should let me go. Okay, you guys, here is my outfit of the day. I have on this kind of flowy long sweater and have on these jeans. I just have them cuffed, and then my Crocs. I shared these with you guys last time, and I will link some just like these in my Amazon store. I did want to share with you that I spot cleaned my carpet. I used a little bit of baking soda and then some vinegar. So you just add the baking soda and then add the vinegar, and it kind of bubbles up and it makes your carpet easier to clean. And I also had a little bit of Dawn dish soap in my bowl, and so I just gave it a really good clean in this space because I have a cup of coffee usually on my bedside table and I have a tendency to spill it, and I've also spilt some makeup here. So I didn't get these carpets cleaned perfectly, but they do look a ton better, and I really wanted them to be nice and fresh when I'm creating this cute little space in this corner. Even though you won't see a lot of it, I did want to make sure that those icky parts weren't poking through, and I think it came out pretty nice. Comment and let me know what you guys think and how you spot clean your carpets. While I was cleaning and tidying everything up, my sconces were drying, and now that they're all dry, I'm just going to go inside and we're going to create our faux drapery curtain piece. I cannot wait to share this with you guys. It is so cool. Okay, you guys, so now my idea for this space is to create a curtain to kind of cover the electrical box and just create almost like a faux window here. So I have my level, and I'm going to use these cute little kind of shabby chic French pieces up here. So I just need to measure it across so I can get a good fit, and then I'll put my nails in and then hang my little curtain piece. This is so exciting. I'm very excited for this. Now I'm just adding some nails to the wall, and then I did measure in between nails because I wanted to create this really cute little faux drapery over my faux curtain. I'm also covering up that electrical box, as you guys can see, so I added in the sconces, and then I'm just using a Dollar Tree broom handle, who knew, and I added 3 curtain pieces. I got these curtains from my mother-in-law. They're sheer and they have kind of this Victorian overlay. They're really pretty and perfect for my little spot. Okay, now that we've put together our broom handle curtain rod, I am just going to put it up here. And then I want to add a little topper to it. So I also have this little sheer panel.
What's it like?
Okay, now I'm going to hang this cute little mirror that I found at a flea market, and I need a mirror over my dressing table so I can see what I'm doing while I'm getting ready. I already have a nail here.
Tick tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me.
Now that I have my mirror hung, I'm adding my little dressing table that I found at a flea market. And I just have my little shelf that we painted, and I'm going to try to put that right there. Now I'm adding in this clothes rack that I found at my mom's house after she moved out, and it fits actually perfectly back in this space. Now eventually I think I would like to get one that's a little bit shorter and that's also all white, but this was free and I like to use what I have. And so now I just want to go through all of my clothing and just choose the items that I know I'm going to wear for the summer and spring months. So I chose a couple of dresses and then all of course my flowy tops, and then I also wanted to change out all of my hangers just so they all matched and they're all white hangers since it is displayed. I do know Walmart has packs of the hangers that have the felt on them for $9.99 for 30, so I'm definitely going to splurge and pick some of those up soon. But again, I wanted to use what I have, so I'm just separating out all my clothes and just using white hangers, and now I have everything displayed where I can see everything. Now I'm adding in just a little vintage linen tablecloth to cover up my table. On top of the linen tablecloth, I wanted to add this kind of vintage scarf. It had some holes in the edges, but you weren't able to see those edges, so I thought it was really a perfect match. And also I wanted to add in a scarf to the top part of the table because I knew I was going to be getting ready on this space, and I've tried to use a tablecloth in my makeup area before and it doesn't go over very well because I'm a really messy makeup person. You guys comment and let me know if you can feel me on that one, but this little runner will be easy to wash and keep clean. Now comes my favorite part, the decorating. I did downsize a little bit more of my jewelry to only the pieces that I'm actually going to wear, and then I'm using my Method glass and surface cleaner. This is in the mint. This is my favorite fragrance. If you guys use the Grove Collaborative website, I love this one. I'm just wiping off this little pink tray. This pink tray is great for me to set my makeup caddy on, and this was just a little vintage gold tray. You see them out a lot at thrift stores or flea markets, and I just painted it a pale pink with some ballet pink spray paint, and I'm also wiping off all of my makeup to give my space a fresh new feeling. And I did go through and also declutter a lot of my makeup and toss out the stuff that I was not using. Also adding a vintage mannequin to my space. I love this mannequin. I actually had it left over from when I had a flea market booth, and so I feel like it really looks perfect. It also kind of conceals and gives a little bit of privacy on this corner of my table, so when I can look down into the mirror this direction, you don't see it if my vanity space isn't perfectly clean. Now to my vintage dress form, I'm adding this really beautiful, this was actually a debutante ball dress. This lady sold it to me for $1. She was so sweet. And then here's another leftover behind treasure from my mom's house, was that little white rug. Again, I'd like to get a fancy rug, but this is just perfect for now. It's what I have. So here's the finished product. Here's all of my clothes displayed perfectly. And then on my little bedside table, I do have some storage space where I keep my pajamas. And I just created a spot where I could get ready with my hairbrush and some of my fragrances. There's my hot rollers. You guys know I'm a hot roller junkie. And then my makeup space. And really having everything out in the open pushed me to downsize some things. And now I'm just adding this cute little Victorian lampshade to the top of this lamp. It had a couple of scratches on it, but I think it turned out really cute, and I really think that it adds a pop of just whimsy to this space, and I needed that extra lighting as well. And then here is my dresser, and I would like to change out the handles on this and also clean out the drawers. But I think it looks really beautiful. A lot of you all asked me too where I found my bedding. I found it at a resale shop. It was originally a Rachel Ashwell Shabby Chic Target line. I believe they do still sell it on eBay if you guys want to look for it there. I'm also going to share with you guys a couple of ways that you can update your bedding and change it out without buying new bedding. So look for that video coming up soon, but I'm really pleased with this space. I hope you guys are loving it, and again, I'm always so blessed to have y'all here.
Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Everything that I own, yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you.
So thank you all so much for joining me on this Trash to Treasure adventure. I hope you all are inspired. I hope you're having an awesome day. I cannot wait to share more projects with you all. It is springtime. It's supposed to be in the 70s all week this week, so you guys know I'm going to be doing a ton of DIY projects that I cannot wait to share with you guys. So thank you all so much. If you're new, I would love to have you subscribe and be part of my YouTube family. Until the next video, we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.